Hi children, today we will do exercise questions, okay. Exercise 5.1 question number 1, 2 and 3. So look at the first question. Find the complement of each of the following angles. You have to find the complement of each of these following angles, okay. Complementary angle means what? If the sum of two angles 90 degree, we can say that they are complementary angles, okay. Now we have to find the complement of this first one. We have to find the complement of 20 degree, we have to find the complement of 63 degree, we have to find the complement of 57 degree. Okay. So for finding the complementary angle, what is the formula? Complementary angle is equal to how will we find the complementary angle? 90 degree minus the given angle, okay. 90 degree minus the given angle. If you want to find out the complementary angle of the given angle, what you have to do? 90 degree minus the given angle. Now you look at take the first question. Take the first question. Complement of 20 degree, or you can write complementary angle of 20 degree, both are same. Complement of 20 degree, how will we find the complement of 20 degree? 90 minus the given angle is 20 degree, 90 minus 20, what is the answer? 70. Okay children, I hope this is clear. If you want to find out the complementary angle of the given angle, what you have to do children? You have to subtract the given angle from 90. Okay. So how will we find the complement of 20 degree? 90 minus 20, what is the answer? 70 degree. Put the degree simple. Okay. Now what is the next question? Complementary angle of 63 degree. So you write down complement of 63 degree. So how will we find the complement of 63 degree? 90 degree minus 63 degree. 90 minus 63, what is the answer? Those are having any confusion, to the subtraction your working column. 90 minus 63, what is the answer? 10, 7, 2. What is the answer? 27 degree. Do the subtraction in your working column, okay. So you got the complement of 63 degree. What you can say? 63 degree is the complement of 27 degree, or 27 degree is the complement of 63 degree. Like the same way, 70 degree is the complement of 20 degree, or 20 degree is the complement of 70 degree. I hope this is clear. Now move to the third question. Complement of 57 degree. What is the complement of 57 degree? 90 minus 57. 90 minus 57. What is the answer? 10. What is the answer? 3. 3. What is the answer? 33 degrees. So what is the answer we got? The complement of 57 is what? 33. And what is the complement of 33? 57. Why we are saying the complement to each other? Because if you are adding the two angles, you will get the sum 90 degree. Okay. 57 plus 33, what is the answer? 90. 63 plus 27, what is the answer? 90. 20 plus 70, what is the answer? 90. So these are complementary angles. Okay children. Now move to the next question. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. So for finding the complement, we are subtracting from 90. So for finding the supplement, what you have to do? You have to subtract it from 180 degree. Supplementary angle. How will we find the supplementary angle? Supplementary angle, for finding the supplementary angle, subtract the given angle from 180 degree. Given angle from 180 degree. So for finding the supplement of the given angle, what you have to do? Subtract it from 180 degree. So what is the supplementary angle of the first one? Supplement of 105 degree. 106 degree, is it? Supplement of, what is the correct question? Supplement of 105 degree. So what is the answer? 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105, you put the degree simple. 180 degree minus 105 degree. What is the answer? 180 minus 105. What is the answer? 75. What is the answer? 75 degree. So what you can say here? 105 degree is the supplement of 75 degree, or you can say 75 degree is the supplement of 105 5 degree. I hope this is clear. Now move to the next question. Move to the next question. B question. B question. Supplement of 87 degree. What is the supplement of 87 degree and how will we find it out? 180 minus 87. Do the subtraction. 180 minus 87. What answer you will get? 180 minus 87 as 180 minus 87. What is the answer? 93 degree. So what you can say here? 93 degree is a supplement of 87 degree or 87 degree is a supplement of 93 degree. Is it clear? Now move to the last question. Last question. Supplement of 154 degree. Supplement of 154 degree. Supplement of 154 degree. How will we find the supplement of 154 degree? 180 minus 154. What is the answer? 180 minus 154. So, what is the answer? what is the answer? 26 degree. So, what you can write here? 26 degree is the supplement of 154 degree or 154 degree is a supplement of 26 degree. I hope all these questions are clear. So, for finding the supplement of the given angle, you have to subtract it from 180 or for finding the complement of the given angle, you have to subtract it from 90. Okay, now move to the next question. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Okay, this is the question number 3. Question number 3. And we know that what is supplementary angle? Supplementary angle means sum is 180 degree. What is complementary angle? Complementary angle means sum is 90 degree. Okay, now you take the first part, first question. 65 degree plus 115 degree. 65 plus 115, what is the answer? What is the answer? 180 degrees. So, what you can say that these two angles are supplementary angles. These angles are supplementary angles. These angles are supplementary angles. Okay. If the sum is 180 degree, you have to write they are supplementary angles. If the sum is 90 degree, you have to write they are complementary angles. Okay. If the sum is 180 degree, what you can write? The angles are supplementary angles, and if the sum is 90 degree, what you have to write? You have to write they are complementary angles. So, the next question, 63 plus 27, what is the answer? 63 plus 27, what is the answer? 90 degrees. So, what you can write here? These angles are complementary angles. These angles are 63 degree and 27 degree are called complementary angles to each other. Okay, 63 degree and 27 degree are complementary angles of each other. Now, do the next question. 112 and 68. 112 plus 68. What is the answer? 180. So, what you can write here? These angles are supplementary angles. Okay. If you are getting the sum 180 degree, you write down the angles are supplementary angles, and if you are getting the sum 90 degree, you have to write they are complementary angles. I hope these questions are clear. And remaining questions, this 4, 5, 6, these questions are homework. Remaining questions are homework. Okay. Question number 3, remaining questions 4, 5, 6 questions are homework. Do the addition. If the answer is 90 degree, you write down these angles are complementary angles, and if the sum is 180 degree, you write down these angles are supplementary angles. So, question number 3, page number 102, page 102, question number 3, subdivisions 4, 5, 6 is homework. Okay, do it children, it will be more clear for you. Thank you and have a nice day.